Hello, hello, welcome to the live stream. Perko, može tiše, ljubim te. So, today we're gonna talk about CPI and possibly the biggest or crucial event that I assume will have huge impact. So, I don't remember when market was so uncertain and without any specific direction or so much anomalies all across board. So it's very interesting. To be fair, so I'm still expecting even euro dollar coming here, or we're gonna reverse, which is more preferable. So let's see dollar index. We did mitigate this week and we didn't bleed this like trend line. So it's very interesting in terms of that. As you can see, it's pretty much not gonna say correct, but precise, and we can expect big bleed. Also, I can on CPI I can expect like massive drop, then we get pump like here, and then maybe this. If depends on what CPI gonna print really. So it's very heavy to actually have any specific bias. As you can see, you can check out at the moment we still have huge interest rate and we should fall more down, and imagine if we get to this 0.5 or 1, this like most amazing time, and probably we gonna get slow ladder down. So it's very interesting. So it's a question: do we gonna stay on 4.5 or we gonna get bigger flow down? What I wanna see or show you is inflation rate. So at the moment we are on 2.9 and forecast is still 2.9. What we need is lower price, lower inflation rate for Powell. So after CPI and all hedging and everything, we have Powell testify again, and he gonna decide or say what he's expecting from market and everything else, and he will dictate the journey or bias of market. So we will see. It will be very interesting. So today is a huge, let's say, day. So yeah, we have like in 1 hour and 30 minutes we have that CPI news out. So let's check out what crypto says about that. So overall, I wanna dollar index bullish. I wanna see higher prices on dollar index because it will give us a good sign for Bitcoin. So I think Bitcoin's potentially bottomed here. We have SMT divergence with dollar index here, and we cooking all the way. So maybe wick down and maybe trade like this will be very preferable. So it's like 7R or even bigger. But if we take the lows, we're gonna take this low too, that's for sure, and we potentially not gonna like we're gonna do maybe if we don't pump from here, and let's say we're gonna bleed, we're gonna even probably rect even less like this, like coming here and then coming here, and if CPI prints bad, but let's say we can be part of manipulation here. So let's say if it's manipulation, people are scared, or it's like uncertainty about what direction, what Pablo gonna say. What I can expect is lower price, maybe here, and then pump again. But to be fair, this is gonna be my trade, my play. I still believe from here we're gonna pump it. That's what I believe, that's what is my bias. So if you check out NQ, probably we should go higher. We are accumulating around the highs, right? But if you check out this imbalance, is looks very bad, very bad. This is very bad, and also we rejecting from this order block. I don't know if you can see it properly. I'm gonna delete this. So clean chart always. Imbalance, but we mitigating rejecting, but also we are not taking the highs, and we didn't break the highs. So probably we can expect some compression here before real breakout. I mean, we are hedging right now. We are in some sort of hedging for CPI news, and literally it's big, huge gamble for market worldwide. Good numbers, bam, bad numbers, bleed. And we have clear drawn liquidities on both sides, so it's fine. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. Hi. What I wanna recommend you is to take care of your capital and everything. Please be aware of all volatility that will pop up in, and yeah, this doesn't sound bad on NQ, and everything is weird, really. Many fellas calling weird numbers, but let's see what's gonna. Ooh. I deleted my. Wait. So it's gonna be very wild, really very wild, and I really wanna give you advice of um, take care of your mental capacity and capital. So what euro I TP it around here. Anyway, what's the euro doing? We in on H4 we're looking like of continuation of downtrend. Like we're gonna maybe have a top here, which is bullish sign for dollar index potentially, right? And we take this liquidity now. Let's see if you see we have even SMT divergence, so potential we have high, and potential we can predict CPI news. So probably we're gonna hedge lower on euro. So this could be high of the week potentially. It's Wednesday, and in my opinion, this is not the bottom of the week. This is also that imbalance that has to be swept. Even we had that SMT div, but right now we have two. So we'll see what's gonna happen. We didn't close above this week with the body candle, so it shows you that there is absorption, and probably sellers or algo sellers on FX stepping in, whatever you wanna say, however you wanna call it. So it's gonna be very interesting, especially if we have close like this. If we had close on H4, or you see on H1 we just wicked, so this could be like very interesting trade on M15, so something like this potentially, and that's trade that I want to see more than anything. I'm not gonna say more than anything, but the trade that I want to see. Why? It's because for Bitcoin. It's good and healthy for Bitcoin, but still this high on H1, this high on H1, it all look so weak, and it's all gaps that has to be fulfilled. Also, we didn't get on equilibrium of that. Yeah, we didn't. You see, we didn't hit this one. So it's very scammy and very sketchy here, so take care of that. It's very liquid right now. So let's see if we gonna get retracement, because each one, we'll see. It's very heavy, and I don't know if I'm gonna stream that much, that long, but what I wanna say is take care. We have that SMT divergence on dollar index. We should be pretty much fine. Even this trend line liquidity looks so bad, like it looks like it's gonna rip through it, but maybe just take this low out and then bump, but depends on the euro. It will take the high, so it should pump then dump. Gold make all-time high again, 3k. You see how it didn't hit 3k. Can we move up? We'll see. Bitcoin is that this trade I wanna see. I don't wanna long right here. In my opinion, is not bad long, not bad at all. It's still good long, but what I wanna see is maybe weak down on the news and then repump. But yeah, it's all what, as if you're a professional trader, what you will do now, position yourself. Let's say Bitcoin, you're bullish, you will position self right now and accumulating orders here and let CPI play out, and you will have bottom entry. If you're not in the trade and you are out of the trade and you are uncertain what's gonna happen, what I recommend is wait after Powell's speech, and you can get re-entry if you are bullish. Let's say we are bullish and let's say we pump here, somewhere here, you can get re-entry like this. So always use you see, every time we pumped, we retraced, fully retrace, pump, retrace, pump, retrace. So it's fine that you can actually miss out the long and then wait for retrace, use OT tool. If we pumped, bam, real long again, boom. Why it price retracing all the time is because you want to scare many buyers, you want to attract more sellers. You know, you need to attract participants, and it's like mind fuck, literally. So I believe we're gonna pump it probably, especially if Powell says like we're gonna cut interest rates. We are automatically 100k, automatically easy play. If Powell says we're cutting the rates. Yo, Ethereum update, yeah, sure. So Ethereum, okay, this short won, which is nice, and I think it should die more, but let's be realistic and honest. This week, if we depends right now, depends on market, again depends on Powell. If we continue up, if we gonna cut interest rate, this is bottom, and we're gonna continue higher, and Ethereum gonna have the ugliest chart ever, which is obviously normal for Ethereum to have these motherfucking ugly charts. So you see how always reject, and this is that third drive, we're taking all liquidity up. So probably we're gonna, from here, we're not even gonna fulfill this week, we're gonna just getting up if we are bullish. So probably like this and then breakout. If CPI is bad and numbers are bad, we're gonna just continue down. So really, home market is down bad, and if you check out Ethereum, Bitcoin, you see how probably bottom is made on Ethereum, Bitcoin. Even this relatively close, I cannot say, but this really can be bottom because we take finally some sort of liquidity here. So from here, literally, we've been inefficient from here to here, and first liquidity pull was like here. We need this low to be taken out before making any bottom, and yes, maybe now we can do some sort of sorcery here. Anyway, if Ethereum Bitcoin chart pump a little bit, it doesn't mean ton. It's just Ethereum is pretty much down bad. You see, it's really down bad. So it's lagging for like a lot of percentage. So if you check out Solana, Solana looks okay, pretty much healthy for longin. Not not bad at all, really, not bad. Um, Probably we're gonna run higher from here. As I said, literally whole market depends what Pavel gonna say. Even BNB is pretty much strong because it retraced whole that drop already, but that's BNB. XRP, I wanna to say death to that coin. Everything else is pretty really down bad, like Aptos to look fucking hell. So all coins are really down. Injective is 14 bucks, like what the fuck. Rune, I don't know if Rune is insolvent right now or not anymore. What is it with this? But if if they back to the normal, if Rune back to normal, you have beautiful long, really long, beautiful run. So it's like to back to normal prices, so probably 4 bucks, 4.5 like this. If if Rune is back to the normal, but many things happen here, so I don't know. This can be very good bet at all. It can be, but still. Pit is what I like. I'm using network pit and everything, and I think they're gonna do good. So this is like solid spot bet or small leverage bet. Fat is, I mean, I thanks God it's spot, but still, what the fuck. But okay, we took the liquidity here, which is good. This week was very low, was very weak, and I thought we're gonna swap it. So right now we potentially gonna cook bottom on Fed too. Super also showing the strength. He didn't take the lows, so it's some sort of strength too. But it's like bear market on alts, and it's wild. And render is probably one of my favorite bets. At I would like to see one more time or not. This could be bottom two on render. $4 to $12. That will be very good. Sui is still strong, but it's like bear. It looks like bear market. Like it's gonna just keep it up, keep it down. Pardon. It looks it's a little lower. Um, Gaspa, what the fuck? Tia is what potentially can provide. So I'm very interested in Tia. Goat just dying. Fart wicked, potentially real long. Chill guy. I like chill guy, however, as a meme. Really, I like it, and I'm fan of that chill vibe. So maybe we can see higher price. I think this has to be efficient, but it's a fucking shitcoin, so nothing much. So yeah. Also, if you go and check out weekly candles on Bitcoin, you see we are still inside of that range on higher time frame. So no stress here. We're gonna pump it higher. Also, as you can see, we rejecting all the way, all the time. We are rejecting from the lows, which is amazing, amazing sign. But also we're rejecting the highs, but not that much. So we're gonna break out soon. Meantime, Solana is like retracing move. Ethereum is like a shitcoin. See, it's like shitcoin. Like Bitcoin is here, Ethereum is here. Fucking. The thing is, Nasdaq does it's open flat. Oh, I see right now. Oh my goodness, it's open flat. That's not the best sign. Ooh, there's no wick. Oh my goodness, we're gonna die today. Really, we're gonna die. Oh my goodness, we have flat open. Oof, 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 oof. Okay, this can finish very, very wrong. I didn't see flat open here on Nasdaq. Oof, oof. Okay, fellas, this is pretty much scary. Like, really scary. Flat opens. So you don't want to see anywhere flat opens. So you have a handle. Oh my goodness, I am going on lower time frame. So you have. Okay, you have candle. What's wrong with charting, bro? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Sorry, guys. So when you have weekly candle or monthly, whatever, you don't want to see flat opens. Flat opens means when there's no wick. Every candle all have open, low, high, close, or open, high, low, close. Depends is it bullish or bearish. So this can be a very good tip for you when you're looking on higher time frame candle. So you always dissect candle on a lower time frame, right? So that's your higher time frame candle, and you dissect it on lower time frame. So you're trading, you're buying here, selling here, or vice versa, selling here, buying here. Okay. And whenever you have flat opens on a week on higher time frame, that's your very good sign that we're gonna go to that direction where there's no wick. So potentially you have drawn liquidity and that imbalance here, and this is like huge, huge, huge. Probably we can die here. So it's very wild. Ooh. But if Nasdaq dies, Bitcoin gonna die. That's also how much battery? 10%. So that's very cringe. So if Nasdaq dies, Bitcoin gonna die low. Oh my god! I don't think we're gonna go wild. But let's say no. Let's use the dominance. Use the dominance made huge dip, huge dip. So it's question we're gonna fully retrace to here, taking high or not, and then die. My fellas, this is very interesting, guys. Very interesting. Uh, sorry for loud sound. So yes. Still, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Still. Okay, fellas. Thank you for being on stream. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, see ya.